Hello everybody, my name is John Doe and today we are going to be doing some crazy stuff. Yeah, we're just going to be making some augmented reality using Aurasma Studio. So today I'm just going to show you how to quickly create your own aura. So what you want to do is you want to create an account with Aurasma and then find the studio and then log in. Once you're here, you'll be able to essentially upload a trigger image, upload an overlay, connect the two, upload it to a channel, and then it can be accessed later on a mobile viewing device, which I'll show you in the second portion of this video. So for this video, I'm going to show you, this part of the video, I'm going to show you quickly the trigger image section. So what you want to do is you want to upload the trigger image. So you want to open this little section over here with trigger image, click add, and then you can just simply browse your, I guess, files for whatever you're looking for. Once you've done that, so you're going to click browse, you're going to give it a good solid name because everyone else will be able to see this, and then you will have to actually do some masking. So I'm going to use an example. So for example, I'll take this image and I'll call this test. So I'm going to click save, and then it's going to quickly upload. And then now you have this little feature called the masking feature. So with this thing, you want to highlight all the areas that Aurasma can't really detect. So you want to highlight pretty much anything that's like all white or anything that lacks any definition. So for example, I would grab this rectangle tool, I'm going to draw out this little box here, and then I'm going to draw out another box here, and it pretty much just tells Aurasma don't bother looking for these areas because they will not help at all. But as you can see, these little Ys here have high levels of contrast, so Aurasma will be able to detect that very easily. And you can use this slider to determine what you are highlighting or not. So the important thing to note is that you actually just want to highlight things that are not a part of what you're trying to track. And yeah, and you can use a bunch of tools. It's pretty self-explanatory, zoom in, zoom out, simple stuff. Alright, so once you have your trigger image, you want to go over and upload an overlay. Now, I already have a bunch of overlays uploaded and they take quite a while, so I won't be doing that right now, but just a thing to note that you have a max size of about 100 megabytes, so you want to compress the hell out of your video. So this is one of the recent videos that I did regarding the recent college task, and so you have the ability to create the aura out of this. So you should give it a proper name, and that's pretty much all you need. So far we've uploaded a trigger image, uploaded an overlay. Now we should consider creating a channel. So channels are essentially like map packs, and then once you download the map pack, you have all the maps that you can use. So for example, I already have one called network hardware. So this has all the other auras available that I've done with the network hardware magazine, and they're only accessible once you actually open this up. So in order to create your own channel, you simply click add, give it a good solid name. I'm going to call mine Zupan. Oops, yep, there we go. And then you actually have to upload an image, so I'll upload the same image, and then you click save. Alright, so now that you have this channel created, you can start uploading aura, assigning auras to it. So in the creation of an aura, what you want to do is you want to give it a good name again. So I'll call this one test, just because I'm testing for the sake of testing. I'll use my test image, I'll upload it to Zupan, and then I'll choose an overlay that I find suitable. So let's just go with the NI. Oh, actually, if we're going here, we might as well use the proper. I'll use a cable stop motion. So here you can expand it to proportions you want. There's no actual marker that tells you what resolution you're using, so I usually like to zoom in and just line it up perfectly with the actual screen. So sort of like that, and then it's got about that much distance between here, that much distance between there. Just eyeballing it really, and then you click save, and that is pretty much it. So now we're going to have to move on to the second portion of the vid, showing you how to use the actual Aura. Okay, so now that we've uploaded our Aura, and we've uploaded it to a channel, which I forgot to mention that you should make public, you need to get the actual Aurasma app. So I have the Aurasma app already downloaded, and now I'm going to show you how to actually access all the features that you require. So you want to get into Aurasma app, and sorry for the ghetto video layout, just going to have to deal with it. So you want to go inside, go to search, and then you want to type in the actual name of the channel or anything that's really specific. So in my case, it happens to be the actual my actual channel name, my username rather than the channel, because you know, stuff. Anyway, so you just want to search that really quick. You want to go look inside of the channels. Whoops, my bad. And then here we go, we have Zupan, and remember to set that to public. I forgot to mention that in the early section of the video. You want to click over here, and then you want to follow. So now that you have the actual app followed, it's going to automatically acquire all the trigger images and overlays that you need. So now that I have this video, this done, I'm going to go over to the screen, and as you can see, the video automatically works. And now a cool thing is if you double tap, you can go into full screen. So yeah, that's pretty much the video. Thank you.